So there is life for these old Genie screw drive. Okay, this one's a 1/2 horsepower. When we got here, first thing we noticed was when we pressed the wall station, there's no movement, just a little bit of buzzing sound. Well, what that is, it's actually a Genie motor starting capacitor. I've already replaced it. This is a new one. Do you see how kind of clear and milky that tiny little window is? Let me see if I can point to it. There we go. That tiny little window is a little circle like the size of an eraser head right there. Yeah, it's nice and milky white. I don't know if I can get much closer. There we go. And super clean looking. Well, in contrast, this is the one we just took off. If you look into this little window right here, sometimes they're sucked in, they're brown coated dry, or sometimes they just shoot right out, or a lot of gooey ooze that comes out of there, and in fact sometimes a whole lot of smoke. I've even seen one of these things blow off like a Chinese yo-yo, boom, when the cover wasn't back on. But so that's that, and now we have got some movement. Here we go. You'll hear it, but you won't see it because I have it disconnected. Okay, so that's, now we've got movement. There is life in these old Genies. In fact, I still swear by them. Sad to see that they're not making these ones anymore. But then again, the way with the old AC and in with the new here. That sounds ugly. I'll bet you we can make that so much quieter. In fact, why don't you come back in a second and see if I can see what a difference I make. Okay then, and whammo presto, and with the help of video editing and these 3 lubrications, within seconds I have this all finished. This is a gel lubricant which would closely mimic the white lithium stuff. This, you understand, is WD-40, and here is a low temp grease. Let me explain what these are good for. This low temp grease right here is excellent for this particular opener manufacturer type for the rail. It cuts down some of the rattling sounds that you'll probably hear, and it's especially this is the best stuff in the world for this particular rail. If you notice it, there's a screw underneath there and it's a lot of friction, so this is the best stuff on earth. If you have a Genie screw drive or any screw drive model, this is better than even the manufacturer suggested stuff. But just got to remember, there's it's called Lubriplate, low temp grease. That's the best stuff in the world to get. Giving away all of our secrets here. We do charge normally $25 lubricated, but you can always get this stuff yourself. This you have to get online. You can't find it in any store, and don't use anything in the stores. Nothing is good enough, but obviously this you can find in the stores. And this WD-40, good old WD-40, I used on the springs here, and the springs only. Each one of those springs, they're all twisting, right, at different speeds. So we want each one of those coils to rub nicely against its neighbor, and so no more jumping and shimmying and causing friction there. So WD-40 springs only. And then this is the good stuff right here. Again, white lithium grease is the one we prefer using. It just happened to be got this at a store, and I was trying it out, but it seems to work very, very well as well. It's WD-40's brand gel lubricant. We prefer the white lithium because when it goes on, it stays on. So this is what it looks like. We're going to do it around this hinge, right where this piece of metal meets this piece of metal, okay? And on this barrel area, so on both sides and on the rollers, so that when you spin it like this, oh, okay, I got my other glove in there, extra fingers it looks like. See, now you can't actually hear anything at all. No squeaks, no. Okay, no binding. It's nice and smooth. So right here, and then a little bit on each roller as well. So now let's listen to it. Here we go. This is the best part. All right, so now we got a working opener, and it's a lot quieter. Better effect when we have this re-engaged. All right, here we go. Grand finale. Tell me if it sounds a lot better, and wait till the cars pass. Okay, there we go. Listen. And that's it. It's closed. Okay, anyways, let's try it now. Opening. Here we go. Any difference? Oh, heck yeah. See, there's a tiny sound. There's a little bit of squeak. A tiny bit of the remnants of what was left over there. And most of that is going to get taken care of as soon as this stuff works its way into all those spots that it hasn't been in before. So this is something actually we're throwing this in for our repeat customers, just to say thank you. This one fell off of that machine here, so maybe we've done some work there before, and we do also have another sticker here We like stickers. Customers love stickers because they know who to call next. So I went ahead and left our newest design right here. So there we are. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys can take care of your own doors. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Cool. All right. I'd say give us a call. Our number's on the wall. Go figure. I'm just being crazy. All right. God bless, guys.